What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. One Piece today, Franky. First time drawing Franky, so it's not. It's sort of like the older version of him before he shaved his head, like not Wano Franky. So kind of with the sunglasses and the metal nose and all that kind of stuff. Landscape page, pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast for you. So we'll start with the sunglasses, right? So we'll just go across the middle at first. Right, curved line across, and then they kind of stick up the side like wings, like that, and like that. And we'll try and keep them even. So let me just bring this one up a little bit more. They're colored black anyway, so if you make any mistakes or anything, like you can just color over. And then we go back down the side. Like that. And then we bring it in. Across the nose again. Down into there. So I will actually, so we'll draw what I'll do. Yeah, so like say here, we'll use this as a line to show some shade, right? So this comes across this way. And then down. Just this kind of light line, right? And we do the same thing up here. So in here is like dark black, black in here, and then light up the top. So then coming down, so we got some frown lines just here, like forehead frown lines, like so. And I think I will color this black now as well, just to make it look a bit more tidy. Okay, so then his nose, so real square, so it'll come out like so. That, and then down to a point in the middle. Like so. And then up like here from the point in the middle, comes across, down the side, and then two lines back up to here. Like so. Some hatching just here. And then his mouth, just underneath his nose. So it comes across up to there. Down. Smiling, real big teeth, right? So open mouth comes across. Back up to there. Back in like so. And then the middle line for his mouth. Across there. And then his teeth, so coming down from the middle, teeth lines there, teeth lines on top, like so, and some down here as well. So his chin has 3 spikes on it, so it goes up, down, up, like a zigzag sort of line, like that. And then this will go all the way up to the sunglasses, right? So it'll go all the way up to there, all the way up like so. And then we'll add just like a bottom lip line, and then his mouth lines just around like that. And I think he's got like some jaw lines up here, like that. So he got big sideburns on the side of his face, so they come down into there, down to there, and then his ears come up from the top, up around, like so, up around to there, and then ear lines inside. The easiest way, letter J, that's how I like to start it, and then you can add more if you want. So then his hairline. So from the glasses, just here, we go in. Right, and then the side of his head. Up like so. Just to there. And he's got some lines for his temples. Just there. Then his hairline. So it comes to a V, just like in the middle. And we got these kind of zigzag sort of lines that come across just there. Like so. Then the rest of his hair comes up from behind his ears. So we got these sort of bumping lines on the side of his head. At first. Same on this side. And then real big hair, right? So depending on how big you want to do it, it'll probably go off my page a little bit. So we'll just go right like this kind of thing. And then another one there. And then there's like a real big spike in the middle. That'll go off my page. We'll just bring this other side down. If you have more room than me, you can bring that to a point. It's just his hair is huge. And then he has like one or two sort of spikes coming out the middle. I'll just do one, just keep it easy. Like that. And then texture lines coming around. Like that. So then, big shoulders. So we'll go, and he has some long hair that goes behind those shoulders, right? So we'll just go out for the collar of his shirt first. Comes out, down to there, right? And then the rest of his hair will go in behind the collar of his shirt. So this kind of spikes here. And then hair spikes just back here. Like so, and I think there's like some texture on his sideburns, just like that. Like so. His neck then in here coming down from his sideburns, just like so. His ear. And then we have neck muscle line in here. Like so. Maybe like Adam's apple sort of area. And then the inside of his shirt, right? So inside of his shirt goes out and down. Same on this side, pretty much out, down. Like so. And then like a shirt line in there. Shirt line there. And then finish his collar there. So his collarbones, just here. What a weird name for them, collarbones. They're the bones of your collar. He's got a chain coming across here. So chains are kind of complicated to draw. You could leave it in if you want, or don't draw it. It's up to you. But we'll do it anyway. So we go across like so, right? So this is the first link, okay? And then the next two links come out from it here, right? So they're connected. It comes around. Another link here, the bottom of it. Kind of these thick gold sections, right? So the bottom of this link then underneath. Like that, okay? So you start it. And then the next link up like this, right? Up like this. So you're doing, it's kind of like a repeating pattern. So you'll do this again. So there's like two chain parts coming out of this. Same as here. Like that, okay? And then underneath here. And again. And then you do the bottom of this link. right? And then you do it again. So repeat the pattern. All up there. And you do the same thing down here. That kind of thing. And then like chest lines. Just there. So his shoulder comes out this way real wide. Down nearly off my page. Same thing here. Real wide shoulders. Down and off my page. Texture lines and things. So like fold lines for clothing. Stuff like that. Same sort of thing here. And then if you want, you could draw like those palm trees and things. They're drawn pretty simply. He's got like a Hawaiian kind of style shirt thing. They're just these spiking. You can draw as much of these as you want now. Patterns on his shirts. On his shirt, should I say. Right, another one over here. Do. Looks like another fold line here. And we can do similar stuff over this side. Sorry now, just try to find the right images. Here, so yeah. So they're kind of roughly sort of drawn, not like there's not like super details in them or anything. Right, but I think that's enough. That's how to draw Franky from One Piece. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.